Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today, October the 7th, 2021, we're going to do a very quick video on DCred. We want to see if this market is going to continue to give us some increases in price. You guys can see from our last video that we did a price prediction in DCred, and we're expecting the market to go up slightly. And take a look at the price. It did go up slightly. So today we're going to give you all another update price prediction in the market for DCred. But before I do, make sure you all come in and tap in with me. If you guys want to learn more, if you guys just want to stay updated on our videos as to where price is going to go, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel to make sure that you stay updated on our content whenever it's uploaded. All right, so make sure you do that. Now let me break down what the market has done in our last price prediction, which was on August the 9th. So here we are, October the 7th, almost 2 months. And you guys can tell it's been a while. We got a couple more price bars on the chart, so we can actually garner some more information as to, okay, cool. Now we can see where the market is anticipated to go in the future. Now you guys can see it. We called it. We expected the price in DCred to go up. And look at where we expected the market to go. $180. And that is precisely where that restriction point was at. It's not a coincidence. You guys can also do the same thing. Instead of us being over emotional, instead of us being fearful, instead of us being greedy, we expected that the market could get tagged out right there at $180 and get restricted and then come back down. And what do you know? Look at the price. So now, pretty good call. 14.72% profitability taken away from the market and placed right back into our accounts. This is what we do. This is what we're all about, to make sure that we're able to read the market and get in position. So now let me take that away. All right, so let me take that away. And now we got a better idea as to where the market got hung up at, right? Is at $180. So I'm gonna take this horizontal line. I'm gonna move it up there to where we last got rejected. All right, simple, right? I'm gonna extend it out because as long as this market in DCred continues to trade below 180, we understand that for the most part, we're going to continue to trade sideways in the market, right? Second thing I want you all to see is take a look at this. The market in DCred has confirmed for a fourth time that $100 is support. Look at that. So this is a very strong support area, $100. So now we know as long as the price in DCred trades above $100, guess what? The market has the ability to go up. It's just that easy, just that simple. You guys can probably hear in my tone of my voice that this is just so simple that it doesn't require the utilage of technical indicators. So now we have a trading range. Take a look. We are in a consolidational trading range in DCred. We are trading towards the bottom of that trading range. So what does it mean? The prospect of us going higher is a lot greater than us going down, because we already got the confirmation that the trap was willing to hold $100 right there. So now we're in an upward move so far in DCred. Okay, so let's take a look at the price chart on the 3-day time frame, and you guys can still pretty much tell that the strength is still here into the market in DCred. But wait, let me show you this, because I definitely wanted to get you all overexcited about the market movement higher in DCred. It's because take a look at this. This area is already restricting DCred's price right here. So we still got to be careful, right? We still got to be on guard and cautious as to, okay, cool. Now we're seeing some sellers trying to enter the market in DCred. We have to be careful because the price can come back down. But cool, we got to expect the market to go down anyway, right? So we got $110 and $100 in order for us to allow this play of DCred going higher to be maintained. But I just wanted to point that out to you. So now let me take that away and let's look at the market in DCred, let's say on a weekly time frame. Look how we ended last week. Last week was that confirmation of us bouncing off of $100. That was the confirmation because we traded all the way down during the week of September 27th down to $100 and was able to close up there on the high of 120 right there. So that is why this current weekly price bar, we're seeing the market still keeping up with that strength that came through on last week. So this process is still ongoing. Now, looking at this from a weekly perspective, I'm looking at around 140 as the next point for us to see an increase in selling to occur. 140. And then outside of that, the next level would be here. Like 145. So I got my eyes already fixated on 140 as the first point of restriction. Then second area will be 145, ultimately all the way up there around 160, right? It's not all the way up there at 180. I'm not being that bullish into the market in DCred, but I got 140, 145, and 160 for the three areas that we all can see increases in selling to try to push back down the price in DCred, okay? Now let me look at this on the monthly, because I didn't look at DCred on the monthly time frame, because this is one reason why I don't want everyone to become overly excited about the market going up in DCred, because look at what happened during the month of September, right? So from 30 days onward, we still had to be on guard for the price to go down in DCred, because the weakness came through during the month of September. Yeah, less than 30 days, the market is giving us some strength. But longer than 30 days, this chart is definitely giving us some weakness. So we don't want to become relaxed and get caught off guard without the presumption that, yeah, in the long term, DCred can still come down in price. Just look at last month. This monthly price bar in DCred from September literally erased all of the work that it took. The last 3 months, it was literally erased. Like the market in DCred during July and August, it tried to go up. It tried to break up above 180, and in September, literally all that work was gone in 1 month. So from a longer term perspective, understand that this chart is still showing us that it is still weak, right? But we still have this market showing us that it wants to hold this area right here, support $100. That is going to be the crux. That is going to be the big decision maker in regards to where price is going to go in DCred. Above 100, we're going to go up. Below 100, we're going to go down. All right, simple, right? So now let me get rid of this and let me go ahead and do the price prediction. Because you guys can see, I said that we're expecting the price in DCred to go up. Now, we wasn't bullish in the sense that we're expecting a moon or a Lambo price move to the upside in price. No, not yet. I'm looking for the market to try to come down and hold 110, even though we already have seen that 100 is a better area of support, but I'm holding around 110. Okay. Now the first area, do you guys remember where I said I would expect the market to come in and try to get hit with some selling? Exactly, right there around 140. Okay. Second area, it's around 150. Third area is 160. Now I'm not really seeing the market in DCred reaching 160, but I'm going to bring it back down to 150 then. Okay. So we got 140 as the first spot for us to try to eat out the market. Second area is going to be 150, about 20% profitability right there. So now all we need to do is kick back, sit back, relax, and let the market work. And then we'll come back in periodically and see what the market has done. Now, this is my price prediction. I want to know, what is your price prediction in DCred going forward? I mean, are you looking for the market to go up? Are you expecting it to consolidate? Like, what is your plan? What is your forecast in the market for DCred? Drop me a comment right now and let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, I'll see you on the next video. Trade different.